In this video, I'm going to show you how to change sample rate in Pro Tools. So there's a bunch of different ways to do this, but I'm going to show you one which I do think is the quickest and easiest. So go to the top left over here and click on File, and we're going to click on Save Session Copy In. So just click on that, and then from here again, you can select the format, and over here, here's your sample rate. So just go and change it to whatever you want it to be. For example, if I wanted to go from 48 to something like 96, I can click on it, and then where it says items to copy, make sure that audio files is checked, okay? And when you check it, you can simply click on OK over here, and you can save it wherever you want. So I'm gonna go to my downloads and click on save over here, and then what you want to do is wait for this to actually save, and then simply close your current session and reopen the saved one. So it's gonna be the saved one, pretty much the same session you saved, with the exception that it now has changed sample rate, okay? So just close this one, open that one, and that's really all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.